Yelp is a reviewing and viewing website to help people find local businesses in their area. The business model develops ideas before launching them, guides effective thinking, and focuses effort on the areas that needs developing most. The model versus the plan holistically focuses on businesses and the type of business and the business framework. There are many relationships a business has with external and internal partners, including reviewers, viewees, businesses and staff. They have three key resources: physical assets, chairs, tables, etc., software, the website, and cash, extra cash for investment. The value proposition has changed from being large and disruptive, developing a technology to solve a problem, to now being incremental and adding features like navigation. The revenue stream is in various areas, including free third-party fees, fixed cost structures, and variable structures to cater for all the potential clients. A host of different attributes forms the strategic value of the company. IT use allows a company to find information about the needs of target market more easily. Geolocation allows for assistance with directions, and business partners enable the standardization and reduction of costs of developing. Business owners' accounts has hundreds of registered business of which it stores the information. Porter's generic strategy uses overall differentiation as a form of competitive advantage. And marketing and social media has used interactive, engaging videos and posts to attract new users.
So, the user section has a one-to-many relationship with the review section, as one user can create many reviews, and many reviews can be attributed to one user. This is also the case for businesses, as one business can have many reviews, and many reviews be attributed to one business. The same as reviews, compliments can be shared between the businesses and the users to leave tips and compliments. The business has a many-to-many relationship with characteristics, and therefore needs to be broken up by a junction table to form a one-to-many relationship, as many businesses can be multiple characteristics like Italian and American. This is also the case for business attributes, that breaks up the many-to-many relationships of the business and attributes. For example, bar and restaurant can be one business. One business can also have check-ins of one-to-many relationships, as many people can check in the business at one time. The check-ins is linked to the hours table to check the order of the times when they're checked in. This is also the case for business hours, so users can view what the hours are at the time they are viewing. This is linked back to the business, forming the ER diagram as a whole.
A database is a collection of data related to files and other materials organized to service multiple applications, and at the same time by centralizing and managing data. This table shows the data related to the business. This is a list of possible prices ranges that can be selected by users on their search. This table shows some categories of businesses that are presented on Yelp's website. This table serves as a junction table to break up a many-to-many relationship into one-to-many. The characteristics table incorporates characteristics that are used to describe certain businesses. This table also breaks down the relationship between two tables. This table has data on the days. The attribute display order is the order which each value will come up as, depending on what day it's currently. LT days can be used by the user of the database to search specific days in the week. This table displays information on the times that various businesses are open and close on certain days. The users table contains information that Yelp users have on the personal profile and the use to register. This table displays the information which is left by users on businesses or about others. It has business ID and user ID as foreign keys. Reviews. This table displays information about reviews left behind by Yelp users about the business. The users can give a star rating and share comments about the experience captured by the star count lookup table. An entity relationship diagram has been created matching the ERD created earlier to enforce referential integrity. Structured query language is the standard data manipulation language for relational databases management systems. SQL is based around three basic functions: project, join, restrict. Dan decides to take his friend out for a nice meal in his local area. He starts by opening the Yelp website on his phone and typing in restaurants near Guildford. When Daniel decides to go enter his local area, the web page displays 125 restaurants, 10 restaurants per page. Dan decides he wants to specify which type of restaurant he wants to eat at. So he clicks Category section and chooses Italian. He decides to check the restaurant is open now at 8:30 PM. It identifies that previously there were 9 restaurants showing results. However, once he decided to go a little bit later, only 6 were open out of 9. He wants a restaurant that's not too expensive, so he clicks on the £2 size sign, which identifies £11 to £25 per person. Finally, just to make sure the restaurants are local, Dan decides to click Guildford underneath the cities category and finds out he has 3 options where he can eat. This is the SQL query of the slide before the search. The algorithm cannot identify fake reviews. Consequently, the website should improve its algorithm and write a program which will be able to identify fake reviews. A high percentage of users think the design is primitive and basic. The website could show their rating distribution mapped up over time. This allows businesses to act on current opinion.
Yelp is a key example of a digital company making use of Web 2.0 user-generated data, using a platform and essential developments in it and the information systems to create a unique, enjoyable value proposition and business model. Yelp used through the use of relational database management systems and the mobile platform to connect people from many backgrounds and places. Yelp also used SQL querying to provide an efficient service. However, there are still ways for the platform could be improved.